Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to generate a free incentive report on your property with IncentiFind. First, go to our page at IncentiFind.com and you'll see the option to select either homeowner or commercial. For this, I'm going to select commercial, which will open up the short form for me to fill out. I will put in my property information, a commercial type, as well as filling out the information for business type and my personal information. Once I've filled in all of this information, I'll click Start Saving Now to generate my report. Now you can think of the quick summary as a free sample of our full report. It will give you the total number of incentives that are applicable for this property, as well as a breakdown of the categories of incentive that are applicable. You'll see some sample incentives down here. For example, this 2025 Connected Solutions Battery Program. And you'll see instructions on how to get the full report. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on the quick summary, and please stay tuned for many more videos from IncentiFind.